welcome back to the channel. As you know, here we talk about artificial intelligence, and today what we're going to do is use artificial intelligence to help us study. We're going to use Gemini, which has different tools that can really help us with our studies. It's free, you can use it for any subject, so let's get started. In Gemini, we go to settings and then to NotebookLM. For me, NotebookLM is without a doubt the perfect free tool for students. I mean, it really has absolutely everything. I wish I had had it during my studies because it would have helped me so much. What have I done? I've already asked it for everything. It's true that NotebookLM, just so you know, is slow. You can use whatever topic you prefer, whether it's about your degree, a subject you want to explore in depth, anything at all. What did I tell it? Research attachment theory in depth at a university exam level. I want a report with context and causes behind the development of the theory, the 5 or 6 most important concepts, the cause-effect relationships between childhood attachment and adult relationship styles, and a section with possible exam questions. Okay, so once I have all this information, what did I ask it for? What does Notebook offer me? Well, it offers us audio summaries. There are people who have better auditory memory, and there are people who have better visual memory. So an audio summary for someone with auditory memory would be like a podcast where all this information is explained to us, right? Then a video summary would give us something like a class on this topic so we can watch it as many times as we feel necessary. And in the same way, we can integrate the information by watching the video instead of just reading it, right? In a more dynamic way. It creates presentations for us. Sometimes reading the typical manuals can get really tedious, right? Page after page, just more and more text. And then in a presentation, everything looks more visual, more schematic. And for studying, at least for me, it was much more comfortable. So it offers us presentations on the topic, a mind map, which would basically be diagrams. Reports, well, that's simply everything in more detail. Just like here, right? If here, for example, it gives you information that you think is too brief, you can just tell it, go deeper. Or if you need more on a certain topic, it's the same. I need you to tell me more about this concept, please. And it gives us all the information. Here, as you can see, all the sources are listed. We can add other sources. We can tell it ourselves which sources to search so that the AI doesn't decide. But instead, we directly tell it where to look for the information because we know that there, we're going to find the most relevant material. Then what else does it offer us? Flashcards, study cards, which we'll look at in a moment as well. Quizzes, it creates multiple choice tests for us to practice, infographics and data tables, which I imagine would be like Excel. I've asked it for a bit of everything. Let's take a look, for example, at the presentation. As you can see, it's super visual. You may like the design more or less, but we're not going to get into that. You can always request any modifications you want, so that's not a problem at all. But just so you can see everything it does with the information we give it, which is incredible. What else does it offer us? Well, let's see. Here is a guide. It gives us a very summarized, very visual image of what attachment is with the key concepts. Attachment questionnaire, which would be the test. As you can see, multiple choice answers, just like university exams usually are. If we see that we have doubts, it even gives us a hint. It gives us 10 questions that we have to answer. Let's go straight to the audio one.
It's interesting, isn't it? Because normally when someone buys a new mobile phone, there's this unbreakable expectation that it comes completely clean.
Of course, a blank slate, so to speak.
Exactly. Someone takes it out of the box, removes the protective plastic, sees the
Well, in this case, 2 people interact as well, so that, it doesn't end up being so flat, right? And so it feels more like a podcast about the topic. So you've seen it already. Well, that's it. You've seen it already. Honestly, I had used some of the tools in NotebookLM. I knew it had more features, but I didn't know it had so many, and I didn't know the ones it had were so useful. Honestly, by far, it seems to me to be the best tool for students out there. Plus, it's free. I mean, for me, that's already, come on. I honestly have to say it again. I really wish this had existed back in my time, because I truly think I would have taken full advantage of it quite frequently. But anyway, for those of you who are currently studying right now, I think it can be incredibly valuable and really help you, especially when it comes to saving a massive amount of time. because the process of making summaries and reading through long texts is just so incredibly time-consuming and mentally exhausting. Here you can upload all your PDF manuals and have it summarize them for you without wasting any time. And from that summary, as you've already seen, you get all the features it offers. I mean, it's just incredible. Anyway, I hope this has helped you. I hope it was useful. I also hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe, give it a like, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.